Hello children, this is your first standard's essay 2 revision pattern question paper. Okay, subject English. Let's see. A part, tick the right option to complete these sentences. We have to tick according to that statement which option is correct. We have to tick it, children. So first one, the door opened when the boy said. When the door opened, what the boy said? Abracadabra or please? The answer is please. Take the please. Second one. Why is the speaker happy? Why was the speaker happy? He saw a peacock or he saw a rainbow? When he saw a rainbow, he was happy. So option B is correct answer. Third one. The boy was sent out to take care of a wolf or some sheep. What the boy was take care of? The boy was take care of some sheep. Fourth one. The speaker is playing with Tom or Tim. With whom he was playing? The speaker was playing with Tom. Fifth one. The goddess showed him the iron axe first or the golden axe first. The goddess show the golden axe first. Move on to the next, children, that is a B part. Filling the blanks with I, you, he, she, it. We have to fill according to that sentences. First one, I am fine. How are you? We have to write down here. How are you? Next, Ali is watching television. Dash has done his homework. Ali, he or she, children? Ali is he. He has done his homework. Naina bought a new dress. Dash is very nice. Naina bought a new dress. About dress they are talking. So what will come? It is very nice. My sister stood first in the race. Dash was very happy. Sister, he or she, children? Yes, she was very happy. Move on to the C part, that is a circle the describing words. So here we have to circle the describing words, children. Jyoti has a long hair. So how was the hair? It's a long hair. Long is a describing. We have to circle. Swati has 2 brothers. How many brothers she has? 2. So 2 is a describing. Can you see those red flowers? How was the flowers? Which color? Red. So here red is a describing about the flowers. Move on to the next one. D part, it is tick the correct answer. So which one is correct? You have to identify the singular plural formation and then tick, children. Here is a bat. It's a singular, right? So this or these will come. Here this will come. This is my bat. Let's see. Here boys. Okay, plural forms. So those boys are naughty. Next, fruit. Fruit is a singular, right? So we have to tick that here. That is my favorite fruit. Next, move on. Filling the blanks with doing words. Take help from the box. See children, here they have given some action words in the box. According to that sentence, we have to choose it. Let's move on. A teacher dash in class. A teacher teaches. So here teaches. Teacher teaches in the class. Amita dash milk. Amita drinks. We have to write down here drinks. Amita drinks milk. Rohan dash at night. Sleeps. Rohan sleeps at night. A pilot dash the aeroplane. A pilot flies the aeroplane. Neha dash in a big house. Neha lives in a big house. Move on to the next one, that is F part. Tick the correct one. So we dash a class at 10 a.m. We have a class. I dash taller than my brother. I am. We have to tick I am. I am taller than my brother. A dog dash 4 legs. A dog has 4 legs. That I, we, you iddaga have ಬರುತ್ತೆ. He, she, it iddaga has. And sometimes I iddaga am ಬರುತ್ತೆ. According to that sentence, like this we have to find out the helping verb children. Move on to the filling the blanks with the in, on, under, near. So the fruits are on the basket, in the basket children. Yes, the fruits are in the basket. Sudha is sitting dash the bench. Which one is suits? On the bench. Put your clothes in the cupboard. There is water in the glass. There is water in the glass. Next, move on to the H part children. Make a sentences from the jumbled words given below. Here they have given jumbled words. We have to make a correct sentence formation. Is a India country large? So here first, India is a large country. We have to correct the sentence formation. Second one, park play in the we. We play in the park. Right. Next, you are old how? Here, how old are you? So at the end of the sentence, which punctuation will come children? Question mark. Mother, where your is? So where is your mother? Where is your mother? We have to put a question mark also here. So here we have to put a full point. Next, move on. Write one naming word which you can find in the place given below. Okay. So here they have given places, which is the things, suits we have to write down. In the library, what we get children? So library. In the library, what we got children? That is books. In the kitchen, spoons. We have to match the things wherever we get. Hospital. In the hospital, what we get? Medicines. Right. Next, post office. What we got? Letters. Letters. Next, in the garden, trees. And the last one, airport. In the airport, aeroplanes. Aeroplanes. Yes. Move on to the match the column, children. Here we have to match the columns. Cold match to chilly. Put down the number here. First one. Little match to small. Little means the meaning small. Neat match to clean. Right? Hot match to warm. Then the fifth one, right match to that. Next, write T for true and F for false, children. So according to that statements, we have to write down true or false. Two companions were sitting near a river. Are they sitting in a river? No, that is a false. They walking through the forest. The two companions saw a bear, right? They saw a bear, so that is true. The woodcutter was a poor man. Yes, true. The axe of the woodcutter fell into the river. Yes, when he was cutting that time, the axe fell into the river. The goddess of the river come out with a silver axe first. Really? No, false. From the which axe she came out? From the golden axe first. Move on to the answer these questions, children. What is the bright thing that the child is thankful for? Yes, answer is sun. Sun is the bright thing that the child is thankful for. What did the two companions see when walking through a forest? What they saw, children? Yes, that answer is a bear. They saw a bear walking through the forest. What did the children take to eat? So what did the children take to eat, children? The children took an apple, and a slice of cake. A slice of cake to eat. Next, what comes out at night? The moon comes. The moon. Next, fifth one. What does the child want to be? The child wants to be a good friend. The child wants to be a good friend. This is only a pattern question paper, children. You have to read all the exercise part for your essay to exam. All the best, children.